about the Montessori program and having the school here. It is great. At Halloween, we love having the kids come through because they put on their costumes and they haul little wagons behind them, and we buy some candy and give them candy. The kid will tell me, "I'm Mr. Captain America," and he'll salute. So they see a grandfather when they look at me. They don't see some strange old man in a daycare center. It reinforces social skills for us too as well, so that's important. And the difference that this center brings to the other buildings I've been in, it's so spacious and airy. I'm going to bring in a sun hat so that I can go out. It's going to be wonderful. I mean, this place, I'll tell you, we went to the first briefings over 4 years ago by Mr. Fallstead. I thought to myself, those artist renditions of the place were unbelievable, and it is unbelievable. I mean, look at the color of the paint. It's all very visually appealing and relaxing. So everything from the carpeting to the color of the walls is made for it to be restful for us, soothing, and an environment that we can thrive in. It could be and would be very scary just to become a very old person in this country without places like this and without a county like Fairfax to watch out for us, because we could easily be discarded on the side. But we're given a purpose here, and that's important because people ask me all the time, why do you get up every day and come in here? Well, it gives you a purpose.